Chemistry in Mathematics and Education is a degree pathway where you study a lot of chemistry, a lot of mathematics and some education. When you qualify with your Bachelor of Science, then you can choose to study a Master's and go on to become a chemistry and mathematics teacher, or you can graduate and at this point choose another route where it incorporates your chemistry and your mathematics background. So the course is delivered through all of the various modules that you will take every year, and there's a variety of different ways that you'll experience your education. Obviously we have lectures, we have small group tutorials, we have small group projects, active learning environments, there's a lot of lab work. Everything is very practical. It's incorporating the most up-to-date research in the sciences and in the education spaces. So it's really something that's very engaging, very active, requires independent learning but also a lot of collaboration. Broadly, you have a lot of freedom in first year in this course. We have one module that you have to take to pursue chemistry, mathematics and education, which is maths and science and education. In second year, there's two core modules we will require you to take, but then if you have said, absolutely, I really want to have a degree in chemistry, mathematics and education, in third year, the content becomes more specifically focused to you qualifying as a chemistry and mathematics teacher. So throughout the undergraduate degree, there's an optional fieldwork placement in first year, where you'll go and observe in a primary school how they teach science and mathematics. In second year, there's another placement, and then in the summer of third year, you have the option to go on industry placement, again in fourth year, and if you move on to the Masters, you'd have options for placement in fifth year in industry. Throughout the undergraduate degree then, you'll be on school placements in the spring of third year and all through the academic year in fourth year, and UCD organises those placements for you. So by the end of the degree, you have a lot of placements in schools, but also in industry, and that adds to your profile as a teacher because you'll really know what it means to work in STEM industry. There's a variety of work opportunities for graduates in this course. So there's a lot of work for them here in Ireland, but also abroad. We have graduates in other countries. Some of our students have finished their Bachelor of Science and gone straight into a PhD. Some of our students have finished their Bachelor of Science and gone straight into industry. So because you're studying in the College of Science with other science students, you really do have a lot of opportunities to go elsewhere if you'd like to after your qualification. I would recommend students to study chemistry, mathematics and education here in UCD because you're studying chemistry with all of the other undergraduate students who are taking chemistry in UCD, and you're studying mathematics with all the other undergraduate students taking mathematics. So you're here, you're within the College of Science, you're being taught by top research scientists who are also informing their teaching with research that's currently underway here in Ireland and internationally. And by the end of it, you're a really qualified chemist, mathematician, but also someone who can then pursue education should you so wish, and it's something that we need a lot of chemistry teachers and qualified maths teachers.